following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. At 11:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a child reportedly grew into a giant 80 feet tall and began to levitate around Sesame Street, destroying buildings in his path. Then, at the east end of Sesame Street, the boy grew even larger, to about 100 feet in height, and roared like Godzilla. The child then shrunk back to his normal size. Prior to this, the child was observed behaving in a rebellious and emotionally hostile manner towards the residents of Sesame Street. The child along with his father were later arrested. However, it remains to be seen whether or not the child will break out of prison and cause more havoc. The New York Police Department urges residents to seek the safest shelter in their homes and wait for more clear. Make sure you have non-perishable items such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for monitoring the station for updates on this situation. To repeat, the New York Police Department urges residents to seek the safest shelter in their homes and wait for more clear. Make sure you have non-perishable items such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for monitoring the station for updates on this situation.
An administrative message for the New York metropolitan area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department and the New York Department of Public Safety. This is an all-clear message. The boy who caused violent destruction on Sesame Street earlier, now in custody with his father, has declared under the penalty of perjury that he will no longer wreak havoc in the area. The boy was identified to be 4-year-old Caillou Anderson, a French-Canadian visiting with his family from Quebec. All residents that received the emergency message earlier are now free to exit their shelters. To repeat, this is an all-clear message. All residents that received the emergency message earlier are now free to exit their shelters. Thank you for your cooperation.